Today we have this 90 Raptor. The front wheels are frozen up on both sides, thinking it's something to do with the brakes. So removing the front tire is really easy to do. You have 1, 2, 3. Already removed this 4th bolt here using a 14mm socket. All right, tire's ready to come off. All right, you can see this castle nut right here. We're going to remove this cotter pin, take that castle nut off using a 17mm socket to remove this part here. We want to get into this guy right here, so we're going to remove this cotter pin in the back. Okay, and then you can see this guy right here is going to completely slide off. All right, what we're going to do next is we're going to remove this here. That will allow us to remove the brake mechanism. Used a 9mm to loosen this bolt here. Then we're going to remove the spring. All right, let's remove the brake cable. Okay, I took a rubber mallet, just lightly tapped on this to get it open. And we're going to remove these brake pads here. Just going to take this, it's like a little nail or something. You just pop this guy up. 1, 2, and you won't mess these up because when you go to put them back in, you can see this guy right here has got a little lip for this one to set over. You can see right here that this brake pad froze to the side and is no good. So I'm pretty sure on the other one, I bet it's froze to the side as well. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and put this back together. I know I'm not supposed to, but I need to put this back together so I can order some pads. So we're just going to reverse the process, pull that other one off, get into those pads as well. I don't have new brake pads and I need to order some new ones, but I'm going to just put these back together to show you how easy it is to reassemble it. So you put your bottom one on, your flat piece is going to go up against the brake lever. You want to put your retaining clip back in. There we go. Put this guy back together. You see that it turns. To put this back onto the 90 Raptor, you just reverse the process that we did taking it off. You'll be good to go. Thanks for watching.